Well, students, we studied in the previous session about the emerging issues in human resource management. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study about human resource information system or HRIS. In the previous sessions, we studied, about meaning of human resource management, objectives of human resource management, role of human resource manager, changing or emerging trends in human resource management, right? Functions of human resource management, etc. So, in this session, we are going to study about human resource information system. First, we will look into the meaning of the same. It is a newer concept where we have to get the meaning of it. A human resource information system, which is also known as Human Resource Management System, HRMS, Human Resource Management System, is basically an interaction of human resources and information technology through HR software. That means human resource information system is basically based on computer. In nutshell, it means digitalization or computerization of the process of human resource management. This allows HR activities and processor to occur electronically, or managing human resource electronically. It can be termed as HRIS. Components or features or functions of HRIS. What are the basic components of human resource information system? As I said earlier, it is nothing but the newer approach to manage human resource by electronic means or through computer system. So what are the components? First one, database. Second one, time and labor management. Third one, payroll function. Then benefits, employee benefits. Next one, employee interface. Next one, recruitment and retention. Next, training, talent management, succession planning. All these aspects are computerized, and informations are stored, and as a result, retrieval of information relating or pertaining to these areas can be done very easily. Now, we will look into each component or feature or function of HRS in detail. First one is database. Human Resource Information System core offering includes a database to store employee information or employee profile. HR professionals can input all personnel data. Human resource professionals or those who are working in the human resource management, who are working in computer or expert in computer, can input or put in all personal data into the system, which can be accessed from anywhere around the clock, like Google Forms, right? Anywhere around the clock, provided internet facilities available. So that time, cost, and other costs can be minimized. Moreover, it is more convenient and speedy way of maintaining data. And whenever data is required, you can get access anywhere and at any time, unlike in the manual office. Point number two, time and labor management. Activities like time and labor management are highly time consuming, right? When you say recruitment, if it is manually done, we have to receive the application, we have to sort out the application, then we have to prepare the list, everything. But if application is done through system, then it will be easier to process the same. HRS package allows employees to input their own hours worked and allows manager to immediately verify vacation request, and data is directly fed to the payroll. So payroll management is also very simple, because if you want a leave or vacation, you have to upload that information to the management. They will process and they will immediately allow the same. Then regarding work completion, you have to upload it maybe in a Google form and all that, and that will be very easier to the human resource management to consolidate the things. So it is very easy to do the works relating to HR department. Next one is third one, payroll functions. Payroll function is yet another major components of a HRS model. HR can easily download or unload employee hours and issue check or payroll deposits to employees. Salaried employees can also be paid with substantially reduced risk of errors. So, human resource information system is helpful to do payroll functions, payment of salary and work related issue or check issuing of check, and even for digital payment it will be very easier. Otherwise there may be some errors in processes. In this case also there may be some errors, but can be rectified within a shorter period of time. So that is another components or features of HRIS. For example, in case of government employees, the salary is done through K2 system by using HRMS, right? So it is very easier, and risk of errors can be minimized to maximum extent possible, right? So this is the another component or feature of HRIS. Fourth one, benefits. Some HRIS allow employee to establish and maintain medical benefits and retirement investments through the software. Some HR, human resource information system allow employees to establish and maintain medical benefits and retirement investment plan through their software. So companies may have such a software, right? If they invest, there will be fund managers. They will invest in other areas, and the return will be created to the employee. Such benefits can be obtained by this human resource information system, right? Such application allow employee to have one-stop shopping experience for all their human resources data management needs. Next, fifth one, employee interface. Most HRIS packages allow for an employee to have limited user access. They have direct access with the system. If there is something error or some errors are arised, then it can be tackled because the employee has a interface with the, such a system. Next, recruitment and retention. It can be said that recruitment and retention are the most important components of human resource information system. It goes without saying that it is the anchor of all HR policies and systems. So if anchor is not correct, what happens? It creates chaos and confusion in the entire program. Similarly, recruitment and selection retention is considered as the basic function of human resource management. That too at present. Finding new talent, acquiring them, keeping them engaged and engaged them, and finally being able to retain them are the major task of human resource of a HR person. So HR person normally responsible for this. He has to search for talent, then he has to acquire the talent, then keep them engaged, and finally he has to retain such a major no such a talent is the major task of a HR person. Therefore, human resource information system help him to do it very easily because all data will be there in the computer system. So this digitalization of human resource information help to take such policies or decisions very easily. Next one is training. A training model can be, a training model can enable organization to offer blended training experience to their staff to improve engagement, job satisfaction, and retention. So continuous training can be possible only when if we have very good database of your employees in the system, and they can also plan, track, and measure the impact of their training program to ensure its effectiveness. And evaluation of the effectiveness of training can be possible even it is possible easier by having human resource information system because every information will be there, and for example, performance of an employee before training and after training can be measured through system easily. Therefore it helps the company to maintain the or measure the effectiveness of training policies. Next one is talent management. Employees are the most valuable resources in an organization. However, the process of talent management, that is, attracting the talent pool to our company, recruiting the talent pool to our company, engaging the talent pool to our company, developing them to the maximum extent possible, and after that, retaining employees is a complicated process also. Employee turnover cost is also expensive. If after giving every training and that if we leave the organization means it is lost to the company. Therefore, it has to be taken very carefully. In this context, human resource information system, as all the relevant data are there in the system, it is easier to the management to have control over such a process or a talent management. Again, it can help to reduce labor turnover and ultimately it will add to the reduction in the cost of employment, cost of recruitment. Next, ninth one, succession planning. This particular module enables organization to map talent pipeline and rankings. Once key positions are identified, it would be easy to create employee specific development plans. So every data is there, every data is maintained electronically means it will help us to do a succession planning, right? So With the concrete information, we can have very clear policy regarding our planning regarding recruitment or any such HR based issues. With this, I concluding the components of human resource information. Presently, almost all the companies are following human resource information system or having human resource information system, that is doing all the human resource, most of the human resource functions through electronic media, electronic system or computers. Thank you.